Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss chapter verb. Okay, this is your class grammar, English grammar class. Here we are going to discuss about verbs. What is verb? Okay, in your previous classes you have read about verb. Verb is an action verb. In short, we say that verb is an action verb. Means all the activity we do, this type of words come in verb. Okay, here a verb is a word that is used to denote an action or the condition of the subject. Means it also shows the condition of subject. It shows the action. Okay, so for example, she is a hardworking girl. Here it is verb. It is a verb and it shows the position, condition of the girl, how the girl is. Okay, so it shows the condition of the subject. Okay, now Rahul studied in the night. Here studied it is an action. It shows the action, so this also is a verb. Okay, a verb is a word that denotes an action or it also shows the condition of the subject. Clear? Now come to the kinds of verb. What are the kinds of verb? There are three kinds. One, transitive, two, intransitive, and the third is incomplete verb. First, transitive verb. Second, intransitive verb. Third is incomplete verb. Okay. Transitive verb is with object, means in a subject. If there is an object, we can find out object in a sentence. Okay, then the verb will be transitive verb. For example, I have said he is writing a book. I have written here he is reading a book. Okay, so what he is reading? A book. A book is here object. I told you that to find out object in a sentence, we use question what and whom. Okay, and the answer of what and whom according to the verb. What will be the answer of what and whom according to the verb? That will be object. So he is reading a book. What he is reading? We have question with what. Then what he is reading? A book. Okay. So answer of what is a book. So a book is object and object is present in this sentence. So the verb in the sentence will be transitive verb. Clear? If there is an object in the sentence and it relates with verb, it has a relation with verb. So the verb of the sentence will be transitive verb. Clear? Now intransitive verb without object means there will be verb, but according to verb, to complete the verb there will be no object. For example, he is crying. No answer of what he is crying, whom he is crying, no answer. To find out object, we question with what and whom, and what he is crying, no answer, whom he is crying, no answer. So the verb is without object. So this verb is intransitive verb. Clear? This verb is intransitive verb. So incomplete verb. Some sentence have doesn't the main verb. This type of action verb. Okay? In some sentence we don't have some action verb. We have only is, was, were. This type of verb. And we have some adjective or some complement to complete the verb sense. Okay, to complete the sense of sentence, we have some complement for the subject used with is, was, were, has. Okay, so this type of verb, this here verb is. Okay, this is verb, and to complete its sense, we have used intelligent, an adjective. This is a complement. So this type of verb will be incomplete verb. Clear? One more, transitive verb, we have to find out the object to make the sentence complete according to verb. So the verb with object will be transitive verb. And if there will be no object, but verb is there, okay, action word is there, so that action word means verb will be intransitive verb. And incomplete sense incomplete verb, there is no any action word. There is only is, am, are, was, were, like this type of verb, and we have some complement for the subject. It shows the condition of the subject. As in starting of our class, in definition we have seen that action verb, action is verb also show action. So according to action words, transitive and intransitive verb is there, and the sentence that show the condition of the subject, there will be complement, okay, without any action. So this type of verb will be incomplete verb. Clear, students? So once more let's revise it. A verb is a word that is used to denote an action or the condition of the subject. Okay, for example, he is a hard-working girl. Here it shows the condition of the subject. Okay, so this is also a verb. Rahul studied in the night. You can see here action, so it is also a verb. Means according to action, we have these two parts, transitive verb and intransitive verb. Because with action there will be object or no object, so it will be transitive verb, intransitive verb. And according to condition of the subject, we have read in definition, this type of verb is there, incomplete verb, where is, am, are, was, were, has, have will be there, and with that we have used complements, okay, for the subject that show the condition of the subject, position of the subject, so it will be incomplete verb. Clear, student? So today we have completed, we have discussed about verb, what is verb, what are the kinds of verb, okay.